We cannot expect any beginner that you have to speak 100% in English. No. If you are a beginner, little mistake we will make it. So hi everyone, my name is Neetu Singh and you are watching English Talk Corner. If you are a beginner, definitely I am also. So what thing I am doing to improve my English fluency at home, so you can watch this video till the end, because I think if this problem I am facing, you are also facing the same the problems you too, right? So right now what I am doing to improve my English fluency. Okay, so today in this video I will tell you, and I hope this video will help you somehow, because as a learner I realize so many things are coming in front of my eyes, that I am weak in grammatical parts, I am weak in vocabulary section, I am weak in most of the times I am weak. But you know, when you are weak, but when you start your English speaking journey, it means that you seriously you want to learn this language, right? So bhai, you know what I am begin right now, you know, I have started to talking to with my husband. I did so many self talk to me. I talk with myself every day, but when it comes to speak with my husband, with my child, I am okay with my children child. But when it comes to speak with my husband, I feel afraid. I think that if Nitu, you will speak this language with your husband, maybe you will make mistake. Hey, what happened if I will make mistake with my husband? I think don't think so though. I don't think so. He will make fun of my English. And the second reason is my husband doesn't know English. He can understand, but where he is not habitual of this language. So you tell me, are you habitual of this language? No, bhai. We are not also habitual of this language with talking to our relative also. Up now, let's come to the point. We are not habitual this language to our in-laws. We are like we don't have any environment at home that whom we can start our English speaking practice. There are so many things are coming in our in our speaking areas, that we don't have an environment how we can start our English speaking practice. But once I asked to myself that now whom you should start your English speaking practice, so then I said to then I thought, why I cannot speak this language with my husband. So I started to talk with my husband. So 2 and 3 days later, I start assuming that my husband is using the same what are you doing, why are you in tension, why are you in tension, and where is my this shoes. Now he is also saying these things in front of me, and I said, oh ho, English. I said to my husband this. तो भाई वो बोलते हैं, now he said to me like this, I can speak also, but हम I was afraid he will make fun of my English, and he thought, and right now I have started. So you know what I realized, that he also want to speak this language, but the problem is coming. He thought I will make fun of him, and I thought he will make fun of me, my English. So these the situation are coming in my mind. So I am so relaxed, and whenever I have a time, whenever I can make some sentences in English, I don't uh, I don't misuse that time. I just make it and I just keep quickly. I said these things sentences in English, and when he doesn't understand, then I translate that words in our local language. So these things I am doing at my home. You know why I am doing? When I comfort with my husband, I think that I will comfort with another person also. Right now I am not comfort with my family members. No. Up, you know why he is watching me? He is also speaking in English. So bhai, I think you have to do these things at your home also, because we are not habitual of this language. And recently, you know, the second point is, recently I have joined one group. That is, all the ladies are there, and they we are have a every day we have a topic, and we all have discussion on that. And I realized that I want to share so many things, but when it comes to speak now, I speak very less word. Maybe I am a very new person in that group, maybe that's why it is happening, and maybe there are 40 ladies are over there. So I was thinking like that, if you will make mistake, so what they will think, what they will think. So I sit and I think, and I thought कि भाई, most if those ladies are in the group, they are also learning this lady they are also learning, right? तो सेम थिंग आप जब देख रहे हो ना कि राइट नाउ आई एम ऑल्सो फम्बलिंग, दीज थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग इन माई साइड. सो यू कैन डू वन थिंग, कि यू कैन join a group. जिससे कि आप भी इंग्लिश बोलना स्टार्ट करो. दैट्स हाउ यू कैन इम्प्रूव योर English practice. You can share your thoughts in English, because every time you cannot talk to your family. There should be some member you can explain your thoughts. You can explain, I think you can express so many things, right? So every day we have to talk, and I think that that's how I'm improving. Right now I have a one group. There is 40 ladies over there, and we are speaking, we are listening. Okay, she's making mistake here. I know today I'm not good at in, but next time I think I will able to find out the mistakes over there. We are listening that things completely, our focus on that what she is speaking. So bhai, if you really want to speak this language, talk to your family members, go and make any group and start practicing with your friends. That will help you too. So this thing I'm doing at my homes, and that group is totally free. If you want to add in that group, definitely you can comment me. Okay, bye bye guys, and you can share that how your English speaking practice is going at a home. ठीक है. So bye bye guys, I hope you all are doing, you are all your English speaking practice is going wonderful, you are enjoying it, and how you can improve, you can suggest me any idea also, because as a homemaker we all want to speak this language, but we all are not master in everything. Grammar, vocabulary section, right now I am weak in that. Time to time I'm updating myself also, I'm working on it, but properly I'm not working. Okay, so bye bye guys, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, एंड दैट वीडियो विल कम सून. तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, वीडियोस को लाइक कर दीजिए. बाय बाय गाइस.